Okay, guys, let's practice a little bit with Chat GPT. All this course will be practical, and honestly, Chat GPT was the one who helped us to create this course. A lot of things in structure, in titles, how we work with course, etc. They were also taken from the Chat GPT because it's a practical tool that can help not just make the life of digital marketer easier, but also it can make easier the life of us creators of the online courses. So if you want to understand all basics that are in this course, I also have a great benefit for you. It will be my gift, my book, Cutting Edge Digital Marketing, which you can find on Amazon just for $4. But for you, you will find it totally for free in additional materials to this course. Most of our tactics will be built just on ChatGPT. Maybe a few things we will have to implement and interact with other toolkit, but honestly, ChatGPT will be really the one that will help us to make this course really beneficial for you and to understand how, as digital marketer, you can use the most efficient toolkit of artificial intelligence in marketing. So let's start with the first question. Let's ask ChatGPT, how can ChatGPT help digital marketer with daily routine? While ChatGPT will answer us, I will run through the main topics that we will discover during this course. Of course, the most viable part of ChatGPT functionality is about content creation. So we remember from all topics in digital marketing that content is a king, and we need to create content for the most of valuable activities such as search engine optimization, such as social media marketing, such as CRM marketing, etc. And if we think and start collaborate with ChatGPT, we see that ChatGPT's first answer is all about the content creation. We will talk about creating high quality content. Of course, some corporations and some companies, they already start to check which content was created by AI or not, and try to say that this content was created by people and we love it more. But right now, we don't see a long-term trend that content that was created by AI will be not such valuable and not such efficient, and the content that was created by people. As we discussed earlier, content creation is maybe the main topic that we will discover in this course, and we will run through the main stuff which explains how to use ChatGPT to create your content and to build your content marketing strategy. As we mentioned earlier, social media and social media management is a great part of your content strategy. So Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, other social networks, they will be really helpful if you start using AI and start using these functionalities that we have in ChatGPT. So digital marketers can use social media management toolkit, and they can use ChatGPT to generate their posts, text for their stories, some scenarios, scripts, etc. So it will be our another big chapter how ChatGPT can help you with your social media management, make your life easier. Among our clients, one of the biggest banks already implemented ChatGPT to be the one, their social media manager who will write all content for them. So we will also talk a little bit about how such experiments can influence on your business. Email marketing. Also, we can distribute our content with social medias, with SEO, and with email marketing. ChatGPT is really beneficial if you start writing emails, your titles, subtitles, text of emails. If you're not English native speaker like me, it's also can give additional benefits. It can take some time and some resources from such tools as Grammarly, for example, and using ChatGPT for writing your emails, not just for classical email marketing when you get database and start communicate with this audience, but also for this case where you have such functionality where you have cold emails, you start using such tools as Hunter.io, Snow.io, Pitchbox, etc. ChatGPT can be also beneficial because you can ask ChatGPT to write emails, to personalize them, and it depends on you how good it will be, how many parameters and how many stuff you will share with ChatGPT. SEO. SEO is my favorite field. I've started 15 years ago as SEO specialist. Right at that moment, I was studying all information about Google patterns, how they work with it, how they interact with information. RunBrain, one of the first iterations of Google search engine intelligence, was born at that time. And AI in search engine is not something new. But at the same time, if you talk about SEO routine, all things that search engine optimization specialists do on daily basis, ChatGPT is really beneficial. It's about keyword research, about understanding the topic, writing titles, writing descriptions, writing SEO related content. SEO optimization is another big chapter of our story where we'll discuss how you can implement ChatGPT for all stuff and how you can do it in the right way. We will try to do it on our own examples, for example, on Skills Booster Academy. Customer support. Of course, if we talk about ChatGPT, it knows a lot of answers. For example, you can ask it who is Anton Veroniuk or something about Udemy, and you will get a lot of information. It's already Googled before you. The main issue that the most of information in ChatGPT is still before 2021. Of course, it will be updated soon, but it's a small thing that can make your life not such easier. It may make your life more complicated, but at the same time, answering frequently asked questions using ChatGPT, using API of ChatGPT is also a big deal for business. It can be also used for making your digital marketing better. If we want to summarize during this session, even this chapter, this lesson was structured and created by ChatGPT. In our next examples, we will run through the all basic stuff that you can use as digital marketer, and we will talk about content creation, about social media management, about email marketing, SEO optimization, and customer support. So, guys, if you are happy with this lesson, write your questions. I'm going to answer them in Q&A. We will update this course. We will add additional lessons during the time. AI technologies like ChatGPT, they are developing on a regular basis. So will be a lot of new stuff and a lot of new lessons in this course soon.